Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I want to show you how I paint this apple. I'm going to go in first and base coat my apple in Barn Red and my leaf in Evergreen, and then I'll let that dry, and I'm going in with limeade to paint my little worm here. I'm also going to accent my leaf with that limeade color, and then I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and some black paint. And I'm going to outline my worm and add some little smile and eyes and little antlers or antennas, not antlers. You guys know what I mean. And then I'll also use this black to just outline around my apple and accent a little bit on my stem and my leaf. And then I'll go in and highlight everything with cotton real quick. And that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.